What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Z-Power generator before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Z-Power generator works. What is Z-Power generator? The Z-Power generator is a downloadable blueprint package designed by engineer Brassens. It explains how homeowners can assemble a do-it-yourself electricity device using what is described as a multiplication principle. The guide outlines how to construct a home energy unit built around a spinning wheel mechanism inspired by concepts explored within the electric vehicle sector. This is a fully digital product delivered instantly after purchase. There are no physical parts shipped. Inside the program, users receive step-by-step building instructions, full-color schematic diagrams, detailed construction blueprints, and a complete materials checklist. Priced at $49, the package also includes video walkthroughs, optimization tips, troubleshooting guidance, and lifetime email support. Buyers are shown where to source components locally and how to maintain the assembled unit once completed. According to the blueprint, the device functions on what is referred to as an endless power principle, comparable to the way electric vehicles recover energy through wheel motion when not accelerating. The system begins with a small energy input and is designed to amplify it through a spinning setup composed of 3 wooden wheels, a solid cylinder, belts, and 2 cogwheels. The estimated material cost is around $97 from a standard hardware retailer such as Home Depot. The full digital bundle contains PDF blueprints, video demonstrations, assembly guides, scaling instructions for varying output levels, and detailed parts documentation. Brassens states that the concept was born after a severe winter flood left his family without electricity for several days. Motivated by the experience and a desire for energy self-reliance, he collaborated with his friend James, who had experience researching electric vehicle technologies. Since its release, the program claims that more than 91,183 households have adopted the system as part of their effort to reduce reliance on traditional utility providers. How does it works? The Z-Power generator is presented as operating on a multiplication principle, where a modest initial energy input is increased to produce a larger, ongoing power output. The concept is described as being inspired by electric vehicle technology, where rotational motion is used to recover and reuse energy. Applied within this design, the principle is intended to create a continuous cycle of energy generation without relying on fuel-based sources. According to the guide, the system functions in 3 main stages. First, the unit is assembled using 3 wooden wheels, a solid cylinder, belts, and 2 cogwheels components that can be purchased from a local hardware store for approximately $97. Second, batteries are connected to initiate the first spinning cycle, supplying the initial energy required to start the mechanism. Third, once in motion, the system is described as capturing and increasing that input energy, allowing it to operate continuously while powering connected devices, without additional fuel or outside electricity input.